Hi, my name is Ameer. I am a computer science student of Amal College. My seminar topic is about loop statements in C programming. Today we are discussing loop statements and type of loop statements and using loop statements in C programming. Loop statements are an essential tool for any programmer, as they allow you to repeat a set of instructions multiple times without having to write them out again and again. Think of it like this. If you had to write out the same instruction over and over again, you did get tired pretty quickly, right? Well, that's where loop statements come in. They allow you to automate repetitive tasks and making your code more essential and easier to read. What are loop statements? Loop statements are an essential part of C programming. They allow you to execute a block of code repeatedly based on a condition that you specify. This can save you a lot of time and effort, especially when dealing with large amount of data and a complex algorithm. There are three types of loop statements in C programming: for loop, while loop, and do while loops. Each type has its own syntax and use cases, but they all follow the same basic structures. First, you set up the loop by initializing any variable and specify the condition that will determine when the loop should stop. When you write the code that you want to execute repeatedly, and finally you update any variables that need to change with each iterations of the loop. Type of loop statement. In C programming, there are three types of loop statements: for loop, while loop, and do while loop. Each type has its own syntax and use cases. For loop are commonly used when you know the number of iterations needed. They consist of an initialization statement, a condition statement, and an increment or decrement statement. While loop are useful when you do not know how many times the loop will need to run. They only require a condition statement and will continue to execute as long as the condition is true. Do while loops are similar to while loop, but they guarantee guarantee that the loop will execute at least once before checking the condition. Using loop statements in C programming. Loop statements are an essential part of C programming, and they can be used to solve a wide range of common programming problems. One example of how loop statements can be used in practice is when iterating through array or list. By using a for loop, you can easily iterate through each element of the array and perform a specific action on each element. This can save time and make your code more efficient. Another example of how loop statements can be used is when reading data from a file. By using a while loop, you can read each line of the file and process it in a specific way. This can be especially useful when dealing with large files that could be difficult to read manually. Overall, loop statements are a powerful tool that can help you write better, more efficient code. In conclusion, we have learned about the concept of loop statements in C programming and how they can be used to solve common programming problems. We discussed the different types of loop statements, including for loop, while loop, and do while loop, and demonstrated how each type works with code examples and visual. We usually provide best practices for using loop statements, emphasizing the importance of writing efficient and readable code. Loop statements are an essential tool in any programmer's toolkit, and we encourage you to start using them in your own programming project. By mastering loop statements, you can make your code more efficient and easier to read, saving yourself time and effort in the long run. So go ahead and start with it.